for time on end, weeks on end, because they're like, you know, and they come back with like, you know, life happens and all that kind of stuff. And I'm like, girl, you know you got tires. Because it's rewarding if you genuinely love it, but if you're not getting anything in return, it's kind of like, it can go, you can quit really easily.
Absolutely. That's why if you're not doing it for the love of it,
so many people,
it's not gonna happen. Oh, we should cheers. What are we doing? Cheers to us.
Health,
Success, prosperity, abundance, Thank you so much. Oh my god, that looks amazing. I've got the quinoa bowl. Okay, I'm getting a shrimp from Deb's food. I can't eat any of that.
I know. I gotta be the bad one. That's why.
Somebody has to do it.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll take one for the team.
I was like, that's the one. That's the one. I need it.
Which one?
Oh, she makes us.
I'll wait for you.
Our food is here, guys. Mango salad for Deb.
So horrible.
Quinoa bowl for me.
You guys are having
Chicken
such
and
great
waffle.
meals. And I'm over here looking like the only biggest loser. The biggest loser.
It's okay. Guys, it's hours later and it's still here. We're just having so much fun. It's like almost 5 o'clock. We've been here since like 1. Wow. That's pretty amazing. Look at the view. It's so beautiful. While we're over here. Having such a good time. The sun feels so good today. We're finally leaving, guys, although we didn't want to. We just wanted to like stay here. Yeah, we had such fun. Yeah. Thank you, Deb, for taking me out. Look at the view. It's a bridge over there. Beautiful. And look at the view. You got everything?
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright, finally leaving, guys. Maybe next time we'll be back here. Oh, this is the inside, by the way. It's a little dark in here. This is the inside. And the side is people there. Look, it's really cute over here. So, good afternoon, guys. It's Memorial Day today and it's freezing in New York. We are on location shooting for the brand. It's super cold. So I'm wearing Bae's jacket, of course, and Bae being the best photographer, you know, we co-direct together, so that's always fun. Now it's time to go eat. We're having pizza because we deserve it. We haven't eaten all day. All we had was, I had a matcha and he's had a frappuccino. That's basically, and a banana. That was about it. So, let's go. We're gonna go to the best pizza in the Bronx. It's called Louis and Ernie. And I'm super excited because I am starving. Guess we'll see you guys when we get there. Oh, that's the park. Can't tell you because this is a secret location. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday, June the 4th, and I am in Dumbo right now, Brooklyn, for an early shoot for my clients. If you guys don't know why shoot on the weekends or even during the week if that's needed. So today my client is taking me to Dumbo. I used to live in Brooklyn. They used to be my backyard, but I don't live in Brooklyn anymore. And I don't know if I missed it honestly, but yeah, this is the bridge. This is the Manhattan Bridge right up there, and this is the Brooklyn Bridge right down here. And Dumbo is so beautiful, but it is so noisy because of the train. I think that's a Q train. Yep, that's the Q right there. And then they have the flea market here.
That shit is tough, man. Look at that shit. Look at that shit.
Babe,
It's expensive. Look at it.
you're on video.
Look at it.
Wow.
Shit.
Ugly.
You ain't got cash.
Done shooting, and this done with softball.
Oh shit.
We're in the box now, looking for Mexican food. As usual, always looking for the best guac everywhere.
We found it.
I think we found it here in the BX.
Right, go.
Well, we haven't really tried like other places, so we can't really say. That was like just like a good guess, right, baby?
What, this spot
We
here?
just picked the spot, and then it just
It was
happened to be
the
like
top
really
150
good.
on Yelp, and it just-
So
Cash only though, so.
I know
Usually means it's good,
I mean,
but that means it's
exactly.
a pain in the ass, so it's like,
it is a pain.
who carries cash?
I know. Who does that?
Yeah, me.
Who does that anymore? Who carries cash? And I'm wearing my Julie cami in the champagne color blazer because it's tiny bit cold. Jaco jeans, and he's wearing his softball uniform.
Dirty. Shout out Ken Griffin.
I guess we'll show you when we get there. Wow,
Cuts that out.
that's good though. Hello guys, I'm at the grocery store and this is my favorite thing to do. Get tomatoes because I am obsessed with tomatoes. This is my favorite one. It's Campri, and this one are from Mexico. Got some more cashews, and I'm going to get some plantains and green stuff. Sunday, June the 11th. We can go on inside, and it's like the hottest day of the year. And that's when we're hunting for an air conditioning. The thing is, my room is massive, so I need like an over 10,000 BTUs and all that good stuff. Empty carts. Alright, looking for a cart too. Well, I think we can find one as we go in. So, we're inside Target now. This used to be my favorite place, not anymore. Because too much of a hassle, headache. Ooh, perfect. We got a free cart, so we are lit. That's the mirror I have that I do my makeup in. I just love it so much. It's gold. You know, I love gold for everything. So let's get our AC. I am so excited.
I left my
We're gonna take a nap today. First, we're gonna go for tacos because tacos are our favorite thing to eat ever. We're gonna do that, and yeah, so we'll see you guys in a minute. He just coming from softball, that's why he has his uniform on. We are in Mount Vernon at this Mexican restaurant, and so far so good. Guacamole. We're always down for Mexican food, so you can never go wrong. I don't remember the name, so maybe I'll insert it. Oh my god.
It's very good. You got some jalapenos in it.
And it has a kick, baby.
So I'm saying I got jalapenos in it.
Hello guys, today is Sunday, June 25th, and I am off to Governor's Island for Pinknic Festival. Actually, my girl Deb is taking me. That's part of my birthday present. So this is my outfit. I'm wearing this white lace dress from Chic Wish. This is like my favorite style. I just love, like, you know, the classic girls kind of thing. So yes, and I'm wearing these gladiator sandals that I got from Mango 2 years ago when I was in Italy. And I'm wearing this border hat from ASOS, which was only $15. I think it went up to $20 now. I'm thinking about ordering it in a medium because this is a little too tight. So yeah, now I have to get ready. I'm gonna show you guys the bag I'm gonna be carrying, which is like a little basket bag that I got from Whole Foods. It's not the perfect one yet. I'm still looking for the perfect basket bag, kind of like the same like Jane Birkin wore. But I'll show it to you anyway. So we're taking food, so I'm gonna show you how I pack it. So let's go. And I am wearing Sephora Always Red on my lips. It looked very orangey here. I am not sure why. It's probably the lighting. And yeah, I added some color to my hair because you know me, a nice golden highlights in my hair. It just give me such a more natural look as opposed to black. My dress, and I guess I will show you when I get out. So I'm gonna get ready now. I'm sorry, I'm already ready. I had to just pack what I'm bringing for food. I'm bringing guacamole and chips and platanos, plantain chips, and what else? I'm bringing some watermelons, and that's about it. And let's get going. And this is my bedroom right now. It's not too dirty because I kind of like cleaned it yesterday. This is my makeup area, and this is our drawer. And I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna get a makeup table very soon. This is where I do my makeup. I just put my mirror right here in the corner. So I'm gonna get a makeup table. I'm gonna get rid of everything that's here. So I'm so excited. I cannot wait for that to happen. But I am loving my bed. Thinking about getting a bigger rug for the whole bedroom, because I hate this carpet so much. It's so ugly. But this is my bedside table right now, and this is the stuff I'm going to be taking. My peonies are almost dead. I need to buy new ones, but since I'm off to Toronto this Friday, I'm not going to bother. And this is this notebook that I bought to take notes at work because I'm getting a new promotion, so I'm so excited. And this is Joe Snapchatting me. And yes, this is my YSL card holder. This is one of my favorite things ever that I've bought. And yeah, I'm gonna be wearing this perfume today, Mojave Ghost by Byredo. I still don't know how I feel about it. It's very light. It's very spring, summer-ish. So I kind of like it. So yeah, let's go guys, because I'm taking way too much time right now. On the train now guys, I'm wearing my small Gucci bag for my essentials, and all the food and camera and stuff is in this basket bag, as you can see. And I am wearing my hat. I think it looks really good. I think Deb is almost there already, and I'm still here, which is not good because I've been ready since like 9:30. So I should have been done already, but oh well. And I'm about to like read a book and make it there. I guess I'll show you guys when I get there. been to Governor's Island. This is my first time. So I'm so excited. Everybody's in pink for the picnic. Everybody's outfit, everybody looks so good. Inside, probably can't see, but yeah. How beautiful is her dress? Actually, gorgeous. This is Melissa. Guys, the ferry just left and we are on our way. Here's the view. Melissa, Taylor. You can see the Freedom Tower right behind us. It's a beautiful view. And you see me before, so you don't need to see me again. Just past the line, guys. Got our blanket. I don't know, whatever they are. And now I'm just waiting for the girls. And then I'm gonna find Deb. Yeah, just like that. Made new friends. Made it, guys. Looks beautiful. Introduce yourself.
Lori, nice to meet you guys.
Hey. And Bay, of course. Look at her places though. How beautiful is that? Love it. Oh my god. It's so much. Oh my god. It's such a beautiful day. I don't think I've ever seen sky in New York City this blue, honestly. So beautiful. Having food, guys. Do you know anyone from the lineup? Did they really pick anybody who would know?
Look at that view. It's amazing. Oh, so beautiful. So that line, wait, that line is not for pictures. Oh, they're trying to get food.
Yeah. The line wasn't so bad, actually.
No? Maybe when you got there, it kind of got better.
Guacamole is really good. Thank you.
Here, you open it. Oh, right here. I love plantain chips, you know my man.
So the sun has died down. Look at Bay rolling on the floor. And it's such a beautiful day. Oh, I love it. Got all the girls are like so beautiful. I don't know who's playing right now, but we don't care. Rosé. Use that one.
I want to drink your drink. Oh, no. What happened? It has a what?
It has a bug in it.
Oh.
Just rinse it with water. There's water in here.
Cheers.
Cheers. Having rosé, like Ricky rosé.
This is perfect. Right here. This is perfect.
We need the sun to stay underneath the clouds.
Oh.
No, you don't know her. Oh, yeah? Yeah, she's not
Reunited with these girls.
Yeah.
Say hi, Taylor. Say hi. Melissa.
free cupcakes.
Right? Free cupcakes. The girls were nice enough to give us free cupcakes, so thank you, girls. And Bay, of course. And I'm gonna steal her sunglasses.
No.
That's it.
Oh yeah, so did you see the email?
Everyone is so nicely dressed. Look at Bay and Zimmerman. This is so much fun. All you guys should come. Having such a good time. I'm gonna go look for drinks now. On the grass now. Waiting for this music teacher because it's been the same for the last 3 hours. I just want to hear something different.
Hey! Hey! Oh God.
We're about to leave now. It's been such a lovely day. I love this bag.
Thank you.
So nice. The party's almost over, I think. Oh, sorry.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're fine. Go ahead. I'm gonna get you guys dizzy, but Deb vlogging. Hey.
We're gonna come every year.
Yeah. It's gonna be a tradition now, a summer tradition.
Yeah.
It's been such a lovely time.
Only thing is, the sun kind of drained us. We have no more energy right now.
Look at this view, guys. You can see the entire Manhattan, and you have the Statue of Liberty over here. It's so beautiful. I can't believe I've never been here. I've been living here for so long. Such a shame. But that's one thing I want to do more this summer, is just be a tourist in my own city.
My day job.
And just, you know, and just explore a little bit more. Guys, it's time to leave. Look at the view over there. It's only a 5-minute ride, so it won't take long. But yeah, we've had such a lovely day. Can't wait to get home. Just take a nice shower and just relax. Yeah.
That shower,
Right? Oh my god, I feel so sticky and dirty. I definitely need we need a really nice shower, because the level of stickiness
is real.
and the sun that we had today, we could definitely use it.
Oh my god, look at her camera, guys. You should see how crispy. Oh my god.
Look like Krispy Kreme.
I love it.
So I guess I'll see you guys later. We're 34th, man. So the girls are leaving me now.
We are?
Yes.
Oh my God, no.
Bye, girls. Get home safe.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
Thank you for coming.
No problem. Thanks for having me.